this is the June Look Fantastic box. This edit is called Trending. So let's take a look in here to see, in fact, what is trending. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I just nearly dropped it. this is the June Look Fantastic box. So normally when I get this, I normally try and do a video as soon as I can. I've had this for a few days now, but yeah, I just haven't had time because I moved house and everything is in disarray. This is why I'm sitting in my self-imposed little corner. So welcome to my corner. Let's get on with the June box. Let's open her on up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. But this is the box. I am loving the colour of it. Let's get it out. Look at that box. It is absolutely stunning. I am loving that straight away. Have a sneak peek inside. Oh, right. So here is the edit card booklet. Well, it's more of a booklet, isn't it, really? Here is the edit booklet. It has information on, is it all of the products or some of the products in here? We shall see when we have a closer look at it. It just says this edit is called Trending. Oh, okay. Let's see what is trending. Look at the colour pink I'm seeing in here. There is sort of a sneak peek for you, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So just checking the booklet, it does have information on all the products in here, which is fabulous. Right, so the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Disciple, and it is What Spot Dots. Oh, fabulous. This is great. So it just says, What Spot Dots are the perfect quick fix solution for stressed out skin. Calming redness, protecting from infection and skin picking. Who is guilty of that? We all are, let's face it. And injecting a boost of natural salicylic acid to help detox blocked pores. Hydrocolloid draws impurities from the surface and speeds up spots' life cycle whilst curbing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Wow, that sounds so good. How many do you get in here? Oh, you get 12. Fantastic. So when it's that time of the month, or generally, yes, when I'm stressed out, I get a lot of breakouts around this area right here, which is so annoying. So they're definitely going to come in useful. The second product we have in the box is this. How cute is that packaging, guys? This is by the brand Nuxe, and it's Very Rose Micellar Water. You get 100 mils in there, which is great. It just says a calming formula designed to cleanse skin without drying it out. Ideal for lifting build-ups as well as stubborn pigments. The micellar water purifies your complexion, leaving it comfortable and nourished. Oh, lovely. I love a good micellar water, and Nuxe is a really good brand too. So I don't think I've tried micellar water by this brand. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I have lots of micellar waters to get through. Fingers crossed, I'm going to like this one by Nuxe. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea, and this is a watermelon body scrub. Again, this is 100 mils that you get in here, and it just says gently polish your way to glowy smooth skin with this exfoliating sweet scented watermelon body scrub from Bubble Tea, suitable for vegans. I love a good body scrub. Is this open? It is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. I was going to smell it there, but you can just imagine how good the watermelon scent is going to be. Bubble Tea do some really nice affordable products, really nice smelling products too. The product we have is this. So this is by the brand Gatineau, and it's Radiance Gummage. Unique balm to oil enzymatic exfoliator with AHAs including glycolic, lactic, malic acid, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Reveal a renewed and naturally radiant complexion, the perfect exfoliator for sensitive skin and for those experiencing breakouts, clogged pores, dull skin, uneven skin tone and pigmentation. So yeah, another exfoliating product, fantastic. Really nice brand as well is that one. That that one is not sealed, so let's just have a little play. So I've just popped some there. Oh yeah, that does feel weird. Balmy, oily, all of that. Oh my god, it smells good. That smells better than good. It smells absolutely divine. That is seriously, seriously gorgeous, gorgeous scent. The fifth product we have is this. So this is by the brand eyeko, and this is brow gel, and it's clear. You get 4 mils in here. It just says lock brows in place with this eyeko clear brow gel. Waterproof and strong holding. This setting gel is designed to set brow hairs in place for up to 24 hours. Oh my goodness. Great. I love eyeko mascaras. Absolutely adore mascaras. So I have high hopes for the brow gel. I don't normally use clear gel in my brows. It's normally tinted, but hey, we shall give it a go and see what is what. I just opened it and then closed it again. But yeah, nice size brush for the brow. Yeah. Kind of excited to try that out. The final product we have in the box is this. We are no strangers to this product. This is by the brand Lottie London, and it's Power Foil in the shade Golden Hour. So it just says give your lids an extra glittery look with this Lottie London Power Foil, a sparkly product that adds metallic sheen to the top of any colour. Apply quickly and reap the benefits. This intense pigment without need to add any multiple layers. So I've definitely received a few of these now. The ones that I've received in the past have all been the same shade. I don't know if this is the same shade. I think it is, but I can't be sure. But yeah, this product is, I think, a little bit overdone, if I'm honest. Hi guys, so this is the June box. We have an eye pigmenty foily thingy by Lottie London. We have an exfoliation gummidge for the face. We have some dots for your spots. We have micellar water. We have a body scrub, and we have a brow gel. I think I'm really happy with this box. Yeah, I think I am actually. Not a bad box. Look fantastic for me in any way. What are your thoughts? Comment down below to let me know. But if you are interested in receiving this box for yourself, I'll leave the link in the information box and the comment box. It does get you £5 off your first box. So if you want to treat yourself, definitely go ahead. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.